Hello guys, welcome to Code Extreme. So today we are going to do Leetcode number 650, two keys keyboard. It's a very interesting question and a very good question also. Medium tagged. So there is only one character A, okay, on the screen of a notepad. So there is a notepad and there is only one character on the notepad and that is A. You can perform one of the two operations on this notepad for each step. Okay. So we have given with the notepad in which a character A is written only, and we can perform two operations on this notepad. What are these two operations? Copy all and paste. What does this mean? Copy all means you can copy all the characters present on the screen. Okay, a partial copy is allowed. And paste mean you can paste the characters which are copied last time. So copy means copy, paste means paste. But copy means that copy all. We can copy all only. We cannot copy half of the string or else. For example, we have a. First we have A, I know, but if we copy, then we have to copy all. That we will get A. A will be copied. Then if we will paste, then it will be AA. Now if we again copy, then it will copy two A's. And now if we will paste, then it will paste two A's. It will be like this. Okay. So what we have to do in this question? So given an integer n, okay, we have given with the integer n, written the minimum number of operations to get the character a exactly n times on the string. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to create a on the notepad exactly n times. For example, here n equal to 3. So we have to create a on the notepad n 3 times. Okay, so this is the thing what we have to do. Now how we can do it? We know that we have given with the character a on the notepad initially. So at first we can do copy all. Okay, so I will write the operations here. Operations, it is the number of operations we have to do to we have done to get the answer. So at first we have initially a, so we will copy all, and for copy all we have used one operation. Then we will paste, so what we will get a. Okay, a we will get. So we have to make three a's here. So what we will do, should we copy all again? No. If we will copy all again, then we can paste only two a's, and that will be resulting in four a's, and that is wrong. So we will not copy all here, we will not perform the operation copy all here, as we will get four a's afterwards. So what we will do is we do not copy this time. We do not copy this time, we simply pasted uh, the thing we have copied last time, and that was single a. So we will paste single a. So we will get the answer by this, and the total number of operation will be 2. So again I will show you. At first we have 0 operations and single a initially. I copied all. Okay, so one operation use in my copy space. Remember, copy space, think that we have a space copied like. So in this we have copied 1a. So now we have to paste. So what we will paste, which is here. We can paste the thing only which is here in the copied section. So it will be a. Okay. Should we copy again? Should we copy this string again? No, as we will get 4 a's afterwards. We have to get 3 a's. So we will not perform the operation copy all. So what we will do is paste. So what we will paste, which is copied last time, and that is here in the copied variable. So it is a, and we have used the paste operation. That's why operation plus plus, and that are two operations. Okay, sorry, three operations. For at first we done. Let me show you. When my operation was 0, I copied. So it is here copied. So one operation. Now I pasted. So I get two a's. So the number of total operations are 2. Now I again pasted. Okay, so number of operations 3. So the resulting answer was 3 here. So this is the explanation which I gave you. Initially we have one character A. In first step we do the operation copy all, okay, and then we pasted. So we got A. Okay, now we pasted once again. So we got A, and the total number of operations are used 3 that are shown. For n equal to 1, how many operations will be there? For n equal to 1, 0 operations. Why? N equal to 1. How many operations? 0 operation. Why? So let me show you. How many ones? 1a should be there, and 1a is given initially. So we do not have to do, we have to do nothing here, as we have given with a initially. So we have to get also a 1a. So we have to do nothing here. So that's why the total operations needed here are 0. Okay, so let's see another example. How can we do this question? How can we do this question? So I will show you with the help of examples. For example, I have 8. Okay, so at first I will do an operation copy. We have to do one copy paste for each number except one, because initially we have given with single a. Initially for each number, for each case we have given with simple 1a. So we have to do one copy paste for each number. Okay, one copy paste for each number except this, as we have to obtain here 1a only, so that's why we do not have to do here. But in each operation except one, we have to do one copy paste minimum. Okay, so copy paste. Okay, so how many a we will get after this? 2 a's, as initially we have 1a. So I will get here 2 a's. Now what I have to do is, should I copy or paste after this? My number is, my string is or number is this 2 a's. So should I copy or paste? I should copy. Why? I should copy because I can get 2. If I get 4 times 2, then I will get 8. So it is a factor actually. So I can copy this. I can copy this. Then I will paste. So I will get A here. Now should I copy? Yes, I can copy. If I will copy, then I will paste it and will get the right answer. So I will copy and paste. So what I will get? A and A was initially, but I copied it and pasted it. So I got 8 A's. So number of operations. So two operations here, two operations here, and two operations here. So total number of operations are 6 operations. So we have used 6 operations. But you might be thinking there is another way of doing this. So what is the another way? Okay, let's see. This is for each case, one copy paste is required minimum for each case. We will get 2 ways. So you might be thinking, here we copied, okay, and pasted. Okay, this is fine. But if we will not copy here, then we can get the answer. Yes. So we do not copy this 4 A's. We do not copied this 4 A's this time. We copied A last time. So we paste once again 2 A's. So we will get A. Now we got 6 A's. If I paste this once again, paste the 2 A's once again, then I will be getting 8 A's. And total number of operations 2, 2, sorry. So you can see that we have used 6 operations also here. 2, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Total number of operations 6 operations. We have used 6 operations here also. Okay. We have used 6 operations here also, and 6 operation in this case also. So what approach we should do? We have to do this approach. Okay, so why I'm saying that, because let's see, because we will be able to do this only. Okay, let's see, copy paste, we got 2a, so a is a factor, we know that a is a factor of 8, so we can use multiple a's, multiple group of 2a's to get my 8. So how we know that? We know that by factorizing that 8 2 is a factor of 8, means that 2 can divide 8, means that if we use more number of 2a's, then we can get our 8. So that's why we copy pasted, so that we can use multiple 2a's. But we got 4a now. Up we will check, is 48 is 4a is a factor of 8? Yes, it is a factor. So we can use these 4a's to get my 8 by using these two times. Okay, so what we will do, we got 4a's, and 4 is a factor of 8, means that we can use these 4a's to get our 8a's. So we will copy this and then we will paste, so we got our answer. This is fine. Simply what we have to do, we have to check that if it is a factor, then we will copy. If it is not a factor, then we will not copy and we will paste the previously pasted. We will see example for that also. So in this case, we copy pasted, we get 2a. Okay, we get 2a, so we got 2a. Now we copy paste again, we got 4a, but we do not copy pasted now, we pasted this and this. So why is the result same? Why we have used 6 operations here and 6 operations also here? Because 4 into 2 is equal to 8, and 2 into 4 2 into 4 is also equal to 8. If we use uh, we used 2 here and 4 here. Okay, so we used copy paste, but what we do here, what we have done here, copy paste, so get 4, fir paste. So here we copy pasted, and here we pasted. So means it same thing. 4 into 2 equal to 8 and 2 into 4 equal to 8. If we put 2 a's 4 times, we will get 8. If we put 4 a's 2 times, then also we will get 8 a's. For 4 a's 2 times, if we put 4 a's 2 times, then we have to copy paste. Okay, and if we have to get 8 A's with 2 A's. So what we will do? We will paste. So in case of 2, paste, and in case of 4 A's, copy paste. Okay, because initially we have 2. So what I am trying to say is, I will show you here. When we have 2A, what we will do? We will simply paste, and we will get A, oh sorry, a, then we will paste a, फिर a, then we will paste, then a. So this is the thing. But when we have two a's and we pasted one a, then we copied, then we pasted, then what we will get? A. So is this the thing? So number of operations, 1 2 3, and here 1 2 and 3, same. Okay, this is same. So that this is the thing what I'm trying to say to you. So let's see another example. I have 1a. Let's see an odd number, it is 15. Okay, so initially we know that we have to copy paste one time in minimum. So now we get 2 a's. So can we get 15 with the help of only 2 a's? Can we can we put 2 a's multiple times to get 15? Is 2 a's are factor of 15? Obviously no. So what we will do? We do not copy here. We pasted here. We pasted. So what we will get after pasted? 1 2 3 a's. So is 3 a factor? Can we put multiple 3's to get 15? True. We can get 15. 3 is a factor of 15. So we will copy, and then we will paste. So what we will get is 6 a's. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will get 6 a's. So is 6 is a factor of 15? Can we put multiple 6's to get my number 15? No, obviously no. So what we will get, what we will do, we do not copy here, we pasted the last copied number, that was 3. So what we will get after this, 9 is, so 6 is are these, oh shit, sorry, 6 is are these, and 3 is more. So we got 9 is. Once again, 9 is a factor, no, so pasted. 6 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 is here. Okay. Now again pasted, because 12 is also not factor of 15. So this 12. So here I will write 3 is more. So this is 15. Okay. So you understood what I am trying to say. Number of operation used, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 operations. So let's see if I am correct or not. For n equal to 15, let's see how many operations are used. So we will return here 0, and we will see that how many operations are used for n equal to 15. So we will get our result in no time. So let's see, for n equal to 15 we got 8 operations. And how many number of operations we used here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 operations. We used 8 operations, so I'm correct. Okay, so we have seen a even number and odd number. Let's see a prime number, because it is also, it can be also here, can be used in our example 7. For example 7 is a prime number. So first copy paste is required, so we will get AA. Now is 2 a factor? No. Also we know that prime number have no factors except 1 and itself. So we know that, but we will do this. Copy paste AA. We do not AA is not a factor. So we will paste once again. We will get AAA. So 3 factor? No, 3 is not a factor. So once again we will copy paste. Sorry, only paste. So we will get 4 is. 4 is not a factor also. So once again paste. 5 is. Once again paste. 6 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again paste. So now we will get our answer. That is 7 is. So we uh, we knew a thing after doing this. What? That if it is a prime number, then we will simply paste, means that number of operations will be simply increment. Okay, so now we have to code this. for for coding this, we have to write here what we have to do. Okay, so we will write here, if uh, if if it is a if it is a even number, oh sorry, if it is a even number nahi, if it is a factor, if my a number of a's are factors, if it is factor, then what we will do, we will copy paste. Thus operations will be plus equal to 2. We will have to use 2 operations for copy paste, and my a number of a's will be 2 times. If it is a, then it is 4a. We copied paste, and then we have 8 a's. So these are multiplying 2 times. So number of a's. For example, I have taken this number of a's in my a variable. So a into equal to 2. I have to do this. Okay. If it is a factor, and if it is not a factor, if it is not a factor, then what we have to do, we have to simply paste in this case. For example, in this 2 is not a factor of 15, so we simply pasted here. Okay, we simply pasted it. If it is not a factor, then we will have to paste the last copied item or copied number जो भी है. So let's write a number. Okay, So we have to paste the last number which was copied, and in this case it was 1, so we got 1 here. And the number of operations are simply incrementing one time because we have used one operation, that is paste. So operations plus plus in this case, and a plus equal to the last copied, so we will put that in my copied variable. Okay, so it will be a plus equal to copied. So we have to do this, we have to do these things only. But if it is a prime number, then no worries, because if it is a prime number, for example 7 was a prime number है ना, 7 was a prime number. How can I wait for a while? 7 was my prime number. So what we have done here, the operation variable and a variable, we will take initialize them with 2, because these two operations are required for each case. Okay, except one, and one will be our edge case. Okay, so these two operations are required, so we will initially take these operations 2 2. Okay, now for prime number, our previously copied number will be 1. This is the copied one. Thus only number which is copied in a prime number will be 1. So simply we will paste 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 until the last. Okay, while we do not get our 7 A's. Okay, so I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. So let's write the code of this question now. So let's write. So I will take my number of a's in this variable a, that are 0 initially, sorry 2, that are 2 initially. You know why I'm trying to say this. Operations equal to 2 also. Why I'm trying to say this? Because two operations are required for each case. Copy paste. At first we have only one a, so we have to copy paste for each case. Okay, but for one a, if we have to get 1a, if n equal to 1, if we have to get 1a, so we have to do nothing, as 1a is already given initially. Okay, so two operations and 2a as final here. Now my last copied item will be here. Why I am initializing this with 1? We can initialize with 0 minus 1. Why I'm initializing with 1? I'm initializing with 1 because in each case we copied 1 initially. Okay, in each case we copied 1 initially, that's why. For example, in this case we copied 1 initially because there was only one a. In this case also we will copy 1a initially. Okay, so for initial copy value, what was the initial copy value? That is 1. We copied 1a initially for each case. Now we will make a while loop. While my a is not equal to n, we have to simply make our a is equal to a number of a is equal to n. So while my number of a's are not equal to n, what we have to do is, if my n percent a equal to 0, if a is a factor, if the current number of a's are the factor of n, then what we have to do, if it is a factor, we will copy paste. Thus operation plus equal to 2. Okay, so operations plus equal to 2 and a into equal to 2, a into equal to 2, I have explained you. Okay, else if it is not a factor, then simply we will operation plus plus, we will increment the operation because we will use simply one paste operation here. Okay, and a plus equal to copied. If it is not a factor, means that we do not copy this number this time. So we will sorry, if it is not a factor, then we will not copy this number this time. We have to paste only. So what we will paste? The last copied number. So a plus equal to copied is the last copied number. But when we get our factor, when our number of a's are the factor of n, means that we will copy that number. Okay, so we have to also write, we have to update my copy here, as we are copying in this case. So copied equal to n, sorry, not n, a, copied equal to a. For example, here 2 is a factor, 2 is a factor of 8. So what we will do, we will first uh, put the 2 in my copied variable, then we will copy paste. Okay, this is fine. Now for example, this case also, my 2, this is my 2. So what we have to do, it is a not a factor, so we have put 1 in my copied variable, so we will paste 1. So we got here 1, 3, okay, because we pasted 1a. Now we pasted 1a. If it is a factor, yes, it is a factor, so it is a factor, so we put this factor, this number of a's in my copied variable, that are 3, okay, and copy pasted. Now this 6 is not a factor, this 6 is a not a factor, so the last copied item, that is 3, we will use here. I hope you understood the thing what I'm trying to say. Now this simple, this is done. Simply we have to return the answer. What is the answer? We have to return the total number of operations required, minimum also. So we have done with it, so let's run the code. Sorry, semicolon missing, semicolon missing. It is running operations, not operation, operations. So hope it will be passing all the test cases now. So accepted. Let's submit the code. If you understood this question, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, so you can see 100% beats, and the total complexity is order of n for the while loop, and the space complexity is also order of 1. Okay, we have not used any extra space here. So if you understood the question, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.